Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download 7-zip on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download 7-zip on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of 7-zip, since that's where we will download the app. So just search this on your search bar. Make sure to enter this correctly so you will be directed to the website. And now that you're on the official website of 7-zip, let me now show you how to download the app. So to do that, it's so simple, since if you will take a look, you will now be able to see the download options right here. So just select the version depending on your device. In my case, I will download this version right here. And after that, the installer file for your 7-zip will now start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then the installation process will now start. Just wait for it to be done. And once it's done, there you go guys, congratulations, you will now have the app installed on your PC or laptop, so you can now start using it. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.